The problem of the reviving is because of the double solenoid. So I'm gonna replace this first. So this is how you need to replace it. Take the pin off spark connector and take off the vacuum line, and this is the feeder which goes to the turbo actuator, and this is the main vacuum line. Okay, so I have genuine solenoid here with me, so I'm going to replace this, and then after we can see the power of it. So before I'm replacing it, because I'm damn sure because of this is the one which is causing it issue. So I need to take off this mount. Take off the mount, replace it here. There you go. So what you need to be very careful on this. So in these 2-3 tubes, this is the main vacuum line which come from the engine bay, which is this one, and the out, it should be connected to the turbo actuator, which is here. It should goes here, the middle one, this one, and this tube, it will get the air from the intake air cleaner. So I'm going to do the wiring. Just take a closer look up. So let me draw you and show you up how the how does you need to connect the turbo solenoid properly when you're replacing, or if you have a less power, if someone has swapped the valve. So this is the best way for you to draw out how it should be connected. So this is a solenoid. In the solenoid there are 3 valves. The first one is the vacuum valve. The second one is get connected to the turbo actuator. The third valve get connected to the air filter resonator. So in a typical scenario, what you need to connect is the first valve. It should connect it to the vacuum pump, which is come from the other side of the engine bay. So when you stand in front of it, so it should be leading from the left side of the engine. So the second valve, it should be connected to the turbo actuator. So this is the vacuum pump. The second valve connected to the turbo actuator. The third valve, it connected to the air filter resonator. So this is the normal connection layout. So you can see it how I'm connecting live on the video. So I'm going to connect the outline. Push it a bit harder. Right. So it should be connected here. The main vacuum line, which is come from the other side of the engine bay, which connected to the vacuum line, goes as this, and This is the air intake line which goes here to this pipe up there. There you go. So now you can connect the power socket as this. Oh, sorry, this should be there. And then lock it. Lock the connector by pushing the pin through the brace. There you go. And now you can fix it back. Sorry. Mistake. There you go. So before I connect the vacuum line into the turbo, I'm going to start it. I'm going to show how the van works, the actuator works, the butterfly. Do you feel this part will work? Do the same exercise. It wasn't there. Kalau ni RPM ke ni? Oh. Main mega pada fokus kerana ni. Kalau ada gila nama.
මොකද ඔය ගෙදරට
මේ RPM එක right.
stop කරන්න.
Alright.